Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sadai Hurriyati Jammu Kashmir. I am Abdul Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops, in yet another act of state terrorism, martyred two more Kashmiri youth today. The youth were martyred in a violent coordinated search operation in Srinagar. The operation was going on when the last reports came in. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference and other Hurriyat leaders and organizations continued to condemn the Modi-led fascist Indian regime's evil agenda of imposing ban on the All Parties Hurriyat Conference and Mirwais-led Hurriyat Forum on the pretext of baseless allegations. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, deplored that New Delhi was hell-bent upon destroying peaceful institutions of political narrative in Kashmir and thrusting a worst kind of extremism and fascism by the dint of military might. He warned that such draconian measures had failed in the past and would meet the same fate in the future as well. The spokesman said that the Modi regime was absolutely mistaken about the potential resistance of the brave Kashmiris. The spokesman said that the Hurriyat represents the popular will of Jammu and Kashmir, which is an internationally recognized dispute as per United Nations Security Council resolutions. The Hurriyat Forum, led by Mirwais Umar Farooq, while rejecting the malicious propaganda being spread by the Indian authorities against the Hurriyat and its leadership, reiterated that the Kashmiri sentiments for peaceful resolution of the Kashmir dispute cannot be suppressed through illegal tactics and white lies. Other Hurriyat leaders and organizations, including Khwaja Firdaus, Muhammad Yusuf Naqash, Maulana Sarjan Barkati, rights activist Muhammad Ahsan Unto, Dr. Musaib, Democratic Freedom Party, Tehreek-e-Wahdat, Jammu and Kashmir Insaf Party, and Jammu and Kashmir Employees Movement, also warned India that any such move would be resisted tooth and nail. Meanwhile, Kashmiri people, through posters appearing at many places in Srinagar and other parts of the territory, have been urged to get united to end the Indian slavery in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The posters, carrying pictures of martyred leaders Muhammad Maqbool Bhatt, Sheikh Abdulaziz and Muhammad Ashraf Sehrai, reaffirmed that the Kashmiris will defeat Indian outsiders to end illegal occupation of their motherland. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Educate chapter at a meeting in Islamabad strongly condemned the political victimization of Hurriyat leaders and activists, restrictions on media, and inhuman treatment to Kashmiri detainees at the hands of Indian forces in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Asif Sultan, a Kashmiri journalist, has completed 3 years in prison as an under trial, during which he has not been granted bail so far. He was arrested on concocted charges under the Black Law Unlawful Activities Prevention Act on 27 August 2018. The award-winning Indian journalist Arfa Khanum Sherwani has said the Indian right wing is leading the charge of global Islamophobia industry, which has been revived after the Taliban captured the power in Afghanistan. Meanwhile, as part of the ongoing anti-Muslim spree in Modi's present-day India, police arrested 10 Muslim youth on the concocted charge of raising pro-Pakistan slogans in Madhya Pradesh. In Indore city of same state, a young Muslim bangle seller was thrashed by Hindutva men just for entering the Hindu neighborhood. The video of the incident is making rounds on the social media and invoking curse against Hindu extremism patronized by ruling BJP. In another incident, an imam of masjid was forced to leave his Bapauli village in Haryana state after he refused to submit to the Hindu extremists' pressure to chant Vande Mataram. A video being widely circulated on social media shows the imam being surrounded by the gang of Hindu extremists who are forcing him to either chant the Hindu slogan or leave the village. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyati Jammu Kashmir.